Do you know how to properly operate and ride one? Well, you're in luck. Our good friend Hayden is here to show you a few quick tips for getting started with. First, find a big open empty space to practice. Next, make sure you're wearing proper safety gear, like a helmet. Your brain is awesome. You should protect it. Now let's talk about the display. Hold down the multi-button for 1 second to power on your boosted rev. On the LED display, you can see the speedometer, ride modes, and charge level. Hold down the multi-button for 3 seconds to power off. Simple as that. To change modes, click the multi-button 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You can see what mode you're on here. Pretty sweet, eh? Mode 1 has a top speed of 12 miles per hour. Best for beginners or if you want to maximize your range. Mode 2 has a top speed of 18 miles per hour. Mode 3 has a top speed of 24 miles per hour. Best if you want to maximize speed and acceleration. Choose whatever mode is best for you. If you find yourself riding at night or just want extra visibility, click the multi-button 2 times to power on the head and tail lights. Press 2 more times to shut them off. Let's talk about how to make this bad boy purr. The throttle wheel is both your accelerator and brake. Pretty cool, right? Roll the throttle wheel to the left, toward the plus sign to accelerate. Roll the throttle wheel to the right, toward the minus to stop. Practice rolling the throttle wheel back and forth before your first ride to get a feel for the wheel. Boosted rev has not 1, not 2, but 3, that's right, 3 ways to brake. First is the electric brake located on the throttle wheel. Second is the mechanical disc brake activated by the brake lever. And last but not least is the rear fender brake. Wow, stops on a dime every time. All right, folks, you're almost ready for your first ride. But wait, how do you stand on this thing? However you want. Boosted Rev's wide deck lets you ride several different ways, facing right or left, even facing forward. Find what feels most natural to you and stick with it. There's no wrong way to shred the rev. Wow, look at him go. Yeah, you got it. Well, maybe not that way. Looks like you really got the hang of this thing. You're riding with confidence. Need a break from shredding? Let's talk about how to fold the scooter. Simply press the secondary lock in and release the latch. Fold down the steering tube. Hold the rear fender down and press the steering tube into the fender until you hear a nice click. Okay, now you're ready to rip. See you out there on the streets. Have fun and be safe.